Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Nail Addict LA's new spring collection. Yes, today they're releasing 7 new colors. Here are 6 of the 7, and I'm wearing 3. So if you're watching this on March 1st at 12 p.m. Pacific time today, Nail Addict LA is launching these gorgeous spring shades. When they reached out to me and asked me if I could show them off in a video, I was like, hell yes. I'm obsessed with their colors. Anyways, this is a perfect dusty blue. It's not like baby blue. It's not bright or anything. It's nice and dusty. And I absolutely love this color so much I had to use it in the manicure. You can never go wrong with the pink for spring. This one is a nice, soft, gorgeous color. I love that they call it cherry blossom because it's definitely such a spring blooming flower. It's not a super bright polish, and it went really, really well with the dusty blue that I showed you guys. If you are a fan of purple shades, this color pairs really well with cherry blossom and also the silver color that I'm going to show you guys next. They're absolutely gorgeous together. So the next 3 colors I'm going to show you are glitter shades. This one is so gorgeous and such a universal color. It reminds me of diamonds. It's like a silvery white. It pairs well with all 3 of the solids in this collection. This color totally reminds me of the deep blue ocean. I was absolutely in love when I saw this color, and I think it would go really, really well with my Pisces mani that I have coming up. So I'm probably going to make this gel a feature in that manicure. If you've ever watched Titanic and you know about that gorgeous necklace being the heart of the ocean, then you know where this color's name comes from, Ocean Heart. It's absolutely stunning and breathtaking and has rainbow-like glitter inside. It's just mesmerizing. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now it's no more, no. So here are all 6 colors that Nail Addict LA sent me, and the other side is with the matte top coat on, so you can see them with matte or glossy. And I used their lamp for this because I really, really love their lamp. So here are all 6 colors side by side. I think I'm going to show you guys color combos that I think go really well together, and I'll post those next before I start doing my manicure and show you guys my finalized manicure.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that...
And for the mani that I'm doing here today, I'm not going to show you my whole process, but I'm using the pink, the blue, and the silver together. I really like how dusty and muted the pink and the blue are. I think it really just is a really nice muted spring color. Spring colors don't always have to be vibrant and in your face, So I think Nail Addict LA really hit the nail on the head when it came to this collection for this year. I know this was a very short video, but I really wanted to take a moment and highlight Nail Addict's new colors and do a quick mani and show you guys some possibilities of manis you can do for spring. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know